Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more crypto content. Here on Rome Tech, we're diving into the world of crypto wallets, comparing the KeepKey and MetaMask. You'll find links to both products in the description below. This video breaks down the features, use cases, and strengths of each wallet, helping you choose the perfect fit for your needs. The KeepKey wallet is a hardware wallet designed with offline security and long-term cryptocurrency storage in mind. It offers robust protection by storing your private keys offline and utilizing PIN authentication. Additionally, a recovery seed phrase provides backup functionality. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, KeepKey is user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with Shapeshift, enabling secure in-wallet asset trading. This wallet caters to users prioritizing security and simplicity, particularly those interested in long-term holding or managing smaller, well-defined portfolios. However, KeepKey lacks advanced features such as staking, DApp support, and multi-chain compatibility, potentially limiting its appeal to active traders or DeFi enthusiasts. In contrast, the MetaMask wallet is a software wallet renowned for its accessibility and integration with decentralized applications, DApps, and the broader Ethereum ecosystem. Supporting Ethereum and compatible blockchains, along with tokens based on ERC20 and similar standards, MetaMask excels at connecting users to decentralized exchanges, DeFi platforms, and NFT marketplaces. This makes it an invaluable tool for active participants in the blockchain space. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, MetaMask offers convenient access to your assets. However, as a hot wallet, it relies on online storage, introducing potential hacking risks. While MetaMask provides a reasonable level of security for a software wallet, it cannot compete with the offline security of a hardware wallet like KeepKey. To summarize, KeepKey is the ideal choice for users seeking maximum security for long-term storage. MetaMask, on the other hand, better suits those requiring active engagement with DeFi, DApps, and NFT ecosystems. The ultimate decision depends on your priorities, offline security versus blockchain functionality and convenience. Explore these wallets further by checking the links in the description and decide which best suits your cryptocurrency management needs.